Assalamu alaikum students. Today is Friday and the date is 20th August 2021. Today we have done Unit 1 Map. First is the definition of map. A map is a drawing made to show an area of the earth. This area could be land or sea. Now there are three different types of maps. Physical maps, it shows hills, mountain, river, valleys and other landform. Political map, it shows towns, cities and border between countries. Relief map, it shows the height of the hills and mountain with line drawn to show height in meters. Now the longitude and latitude. What is longitude? The vertical lines are drawn from north to south, passing through the north and south pole. These lines running north to south are called the meridians of longitude. The horizontal lines are drawn from east to west, parallel to the equator. These lines running east to west are called parallels of latitude. There are 90 parallels of latitude in each hemisphere. The equator is at 0 degree and the degrees increases northwards or southwards from the equator. The North Pole is at 90 degree north and the South Pole is at 90 degrees south. The meridians of longitude are also marked in degrees. They are also 360 degrees of meridians of longitude. All the meridians pass through the poles and are of equal length. One of these lines has to be 0 degree. This is called the prime meridian and it passes through Greenwich, England. Lines down to the west of prime meridian are marked with W and those to the east are marked with east. The 180 degree meridian is exactly opposite to the 0 meridian. On the other side of the world, it is known as the International Date Line or also known as IDL. Now here is the picture of world map. You can see the longitude and the latitude. In the center is the equator which is at 0 degree. Then the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere is there. The North Pole 90 degree north and the South Pole 90 degree. South is present. Then the Arctic Circle is also labeled. And the Antarctic Circle is also labeled. And there are some other tropics mentioned: Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorns, and meridians of longitude and parallels of latitude are also marked in the map. Now coming to the next slide, how to study a map. Directions. We use cardinal directions north, west, east and south. We also use intercardinal directions north, west, north, east and north, south to study a map. What are grids? All lines of longitude and latitude form a grid. These are imaginary lines so it cannot be seen. To find a place on map, we find its grid reference. Keys. It tells us what symbols and colors used in the map mean. We also need to know how big the area is this by shown scale.